Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening to you all.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
Are
morning,
you
ma'am.
doing the practice of the sums?
Yes, ma'am.
All are doing? All are doing the practice? Bhavesh, Adya, Neha, Harshit.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you done the homework worksheets?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Please turn on your videos. Okay. So yesterday we had done these type of sums, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Different types of division sums, dividing a decimal number by a whole number, dividing by 10, 100, 1000. Okay, then dividing a decimal number by a decimal number.
Ma'am, can you explain dividing decimal number by decimal number again? I didn't get it.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I give the number?
So in that case, you need to convert both the numbers to fraction. Okay, and then apply the KCR. You get it? We'll do again. You have a question? You have any question? Do you have doubt in the question? The question is with you.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question?
Ma'am, the question is 38.10
Hmm.
divided by 0.6.
Divided by 0.6. Okay. See here, first thing is that you convert both the fractions to, just write in the form of both the decimals to fraction form. Okay. 3810 by 100. Okay. Then you have here 6 by 10. Done? This much? Now
Yes.
apply the KCR rule. Keep the first number as it is. Okay. As you do in fractions, you have done how to divide fractions. In fractions also you have done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You divide fraction. Now both the numbers are in the fraction form. Okay. So you have to just do as we do in the fractions. Like this. First number as it is. Divide will change to multiply and the reciprocal of the other number. Just change the numbers to fraction form and do as usual you do it for the fractions. 10 and 10 cancels here. Now this is 3810 divide by 10 into 6. You can divide this number by 6. Okay. And then put the required point. Just divide it by 6. 6 will give you 36.
Mom, shouldn't we multiply?
Where?
Because there's a multiplication sign.
This is a multiplication sign, no? So numerator will multiply with the numerator. Denominator will multiply with denominator.
Yes.
And then it is a divide sign in between. Okay. See, 3810 multiplied by 1. Now there is only 1 left here. So it's the same number, 10 into 6. Okay.
Okay.
So 6 is 36, 2 is left, 21, 6 3s will give you 18, and 3, 6 5s is 30. So this is 635 upon 10. Okay. This 6 is also cancelled and this whole number is cancelled. So now this can be written in the decimal form like this.
Yes.
Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember the fraction division? How do we divide the fractions? Before
Yes.
the decimals chapter, we had done the fractions chapter. So
Ma'am,
only thing is that,
we need to reciprocate.
yes, the only thing is that just convert this decimal to fraction form. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, I'll give you some another sum. Let's do divide this 8.16 by 0.24. Please do this. Keep your videos on, children. Avesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do the sum, beta. You must have done decimal division sums in your class 5. Have you done? Yes,
Ma'am, we are done.
have you done decimal division in class 5?
Yes, ma'am, but I don't remember it clearly.
Okay. What about others? Adya, Harshit, Bhavesh, have you done decimal division in class 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Adya, your mic is working?
Yes, ma'am, I'm using my dad's laptop.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the answer?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 214.
214.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Let others also give their answers. Children, give your answers. Neha, Bhavesh, Adya. Done, children?
Ma'am, I'm a bit confused.
Okay, see here the same thing, convert this to fraction. Okay, convert both the numbers to fraction. Or you can do one thing, you can just remove the decimal places, 2 places towards the right side. And here also decimal place will move 2 places towards the right. Okay, same thing. So now you have 816 divided by 24. Okay, got it?
Yes,
Okay, and otherwise, if there is another way, the one which we were doing converting to fraction 816, when we convert this to fraction, it is like this. Divide by 0 to 0.24 when converted to fraction form, it will be like this. Then again, you apply the KCR thing. Keep the first number as it is, change the sign, reciprocal of the other number. So 100 and 100 are in the numerator and denominator, so they cancel. So the number left with you is 118 by 22. And here also we have got the same thing. Got it? Both the methods are okay. You
Yes.
just remove the decimal point, 2 places here, 2 places here. Okay, now both the numbers are without decimal place. Now you just have to divide 816 by 22. So either you can do it like this way, whichever way you find it easy, or you can just do with small numbers first. Okay. So since both the numbers are even, I'm taking number 2. Okay. 2 into 12 will give me 24. Then 2 4s is 8. Then we have 0 here. 2 8s is 16. Okay. Then again both numbers are even. I'm taking 2 again. You can do with small numbers. Okay. Don't quickly jump to the bigger numbers. 2 6 is 12 and 2 2 is 4. 0 to 4 is 8. Okay, now you have 204 by 6. I'm writing the numbers like this now because it's going far. Okay, now this can be, can I do with 3? Okay, both the numbers can go with 3. The numbers can go with 6 also. 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. Okay, 2 is left. 6 4s is 24. So your answer is 34. Okay. Harshit, please check 214 is not the answer, beta. It's 34. Okay. Okay, Harshit. Okay, children, have you understood this? How did we do?
Ma'am, I didn't understood, ma'am.
Which step, from which step you didn't understand? Tell me.
Ma'am, from division.
From here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see here. 816 divided by 24. Okay. See, both the numbers are even numbers. This is even
Yes.
number. This is also even number.
Yes, ma'am.
That means both the numbers can be divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
If you know the divisibility rule by 2, both the numbers can be divided by 2. Okay, so when I divide this by 2, okay, both the numbers have to divide with the same number. When I divide by 2, I get 12 here. 2 into 12 is 24. Okay, then 816 divided by 2. This will give me 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 8s are 16. Understood this much part
Yes, ma'am.
or didn't understood? You can do like this also. If you want to do like this, you can do like this also.
Okay.
Okay, 2 4s are is 8, then 1 here, then you have 0 here, 16, like this. Okay. Okay, you can do like this also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the next number is still, it can be divided now. Okay, now I'm dividing this with again 2. Let's take 2 again. I'm bringing it to a lowest form. Okay, so 2 6 will be 12 and 2 2s is 4, 0, 2 4s are 8. Okay, you can divide it like this also. 408 divided by 2. 2 2s is 4, then you have 0, 0 here, then 8 is 4, like this. Then 204 by 6, again I can see that it can be divided. So let's divide with 6, both are even, it can be divided by 2 also. It can be divided by 3 also. Okay, so that means if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, that means it's divisible by 6 also. The divisibility rule of 6. Okay, so 6 ones will give me 6, 6 3s is 18, 2 left, 6 4s is 24. So the answer is 34. Got it now?
Mama, my answer is 34 only, ma'am.
Yes. Good, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood, children? Are
Yes,
they
ma'am.
understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's take another number. Some more number. 26.452. No, this is multiply. Okay, let's take multiply. Children, do this multiply sum.
I got the answer.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, can you tell it?
Okay, what is the answer?
I got 60.8396.
60.8316.
8396.
Okay.
Ma'am, 96.
8396. Okay. Okay, others also please check your answer. Are you getting the same answer? Please verify.
Ma'am, 60.8406.
60.8046.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
406.
60.
8406.
Okay, 8406. Please check your answer. Everyone, please check your answer.
Ma'am, I got 60.8396. Ma'am, I also got the same.
60.8396.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means, okay, all three of you are getting the same answer. The one who have got 60.840696, please check your answer. Please check your answer.
Ma'am, 60.8396.
Okay. Okay, beta, good. Okay. Let's take another question. Okay, now this is the question. In this question, you have to simplify. Simplify. Now, what will you simplify? The question is 4.5 plus 3.7 minus 3.6 divided by 1.2. Okay, now children, you can see there is a plus sign, minus sign, divide sign. Okay, all these signs are there. So what do you do in this type of questions?
Board mass.
Yes,
Dimas, ma'am.
yes. So that is Bodmer's rule. You all have heard about Bodmer's rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is first is bracket, then bracket
What?
of divide, then multiply, add and
Add
subtract.
and subtract.
Okay. So first, whenever you have a bracket, you must solve the bracket inside bracket part first. So here there is no bracket, but what is there? First you will divide. Okay, divide comes first. Then there is no multiply sign. Then you have an add sign, and then in the end you have a subtraction. So please do this. Do it. Add these, divide these two numbers first.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, I'll show you this one first. See, when you divide 3.6 by 1.2, what do you get?
3.
3.6, 12 threes is 36, is it? So 30 is 3.6 by 1.2. What will you do? Just remove the decimal places 1 and 1. So you have 36 by 12.
Yes,
Okay, so you get 3 here. Okay, understood this?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, next thing is you have to add. Now when you have to add these two numbers. So 4.5 plus 3.7. 7 plus 5 is add the same place values. This is 12. So 1 carries 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8, 8.2. Okay, 8 point. Now you have a subtraction sign. So when you subtract this, what do you get? 2 point and you have 5 here. 5.2. You got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I didn't understand, ma'am.
See here, do you know the Bodmer's rule?
No, ma'am. We don't have that chapter.
This is not a chapter, beta. This is just a rule which sign you must do first. Okay, Bodmer's rule is whenever you have something inside the bracket, plus, minus, whatever you have inside the bracket must be solved first. Okay, then if you have a divide sign in between some equation, then you must divide first, then multiply, then add, then subtract. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, you must follow this. This is the sequence you must follow. So this is called a Bodmer's rule. Okay, BODMAS, Bodmer's rule. Now in this question, you have plus sign here, you have minus sign, you have divide sign. So as per the Bodmer's rule, you are supposed to do the divide first among add, subtract, and divide. We have these three signs, no? So among these three, we should first do divide. Okay, because divide is coming here. We start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So that means divide is coming first here. So we will divide these two numbers. So when we divide these two numbers, we get 3. Here we have done the division. We get 3. You understood how did we get 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then you have add. Okay, you can see here, then you have A here. A stands for addition. So now you will add these two numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you add these two numbers, you get 8.2. Now 8.2 and 3. Okay, there is a
Okay.
subtraction sign, you will subtract. Please keep your video on, Adya.
Okay, ma'am.
5 into 8 divide by 2 plus 6. Please do this.
Ma'am, I got my answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Later. Okay, just a second, let everyone do and we'll share the answers.
Ma'am, I also got the answer.
Okay, good. Okay, Adya, tell me, what did you do here first?
Ma'am,
What did you do first here?
first we need to divide.
Then what you get? What did you get after dividing?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm doing.
Keep your video on. Everyone must keep their videos on throughout the class. What did you get by dividing, Adya? Yes? Unmute and say.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm calculating, ma'am.
What is 8 divided by 2, Adya?
Ma'am, 4.
4. So just tell me that, no? 4. So I'll write here 4 like this. Now what is the second step? What will I do next?
Ma'am, you need to multiply.
Yes. So what do I get after multiplying?
Ma'am, the number we get is 20.
20. And then
26.
26.
good. Okay. Okay, take the next question, children. 4 minus 0.2 multiplied by 0.4. Please keep the videos on. Adya, Neha, don't turn off your videos.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Okay, do this question better. Now, in this question, you have a bracket. What will you do first, Adya?
Ma'am, we should first add in the bracket once, ma'am.
Yes, do. Do and
Ma'am, 1.1.
1.1. Okay, then after that,
Ma'am, we should multiply.
okay, multiply what?
1 minute.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, beta, good. Bhavesh, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it's 1.8.
1.8. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the same answer, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Adya,
0.22. 0.22, ma'am, sorry.
0.22. Okay, then Adya, how are you getting 1.8, children?
Ma'am, 1.82, ma'am.
1.82.
Ma'am, it's 1.7.
Check your answer again. This will be 3.7.
Ma'am, 3.78.
Good.
Ma'am, we did 0.2 multiplied by 1.1, like 2 by 10 multiplied by 11 by 10.
What happened? This is 1.1, no? When you multiply this by 0.2, so you will get here 22. Numbers multiplied by numbers. So you get 11 into 2, 22. And then decimal point after two places. Okay? Like this.
And
And
we
you
put
just,
it after one place.
okay. Make the correction. Okay, now you understand, Atya?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, take another question. Okay, this is 12 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 10 multiply by 2.5 minus 2. Okay, do this. Okay, now Adya, tell me what will you do first here? What all signs are here? Just check the signs first. You have a divide sign, you have plus addition sign, divide, multiply, subtract. Okay, now this is your BODMAS rule. What will you do first, Adya?
Ma'am, 4.
What will you do first?
Ma'am, we should divide first. The answer is 4, ma'am.
When you divide this, you get 4. Okay, then you will write these numbers as they are. Okay, no, this is 5 divided by, this is now 5 divided by 10. Okay, okay. So what is 5 divided by 10? Yes, Adya?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, beta. What is the answer? Yes, Harshit, what you got the answer?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 7.
7. Okay, let's check. Children, please check. Okay, Adya, tell me what did you get after this? 5 divided by 10 is what?
Ma'am, 1/2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2, when you're writing in the test, okay, 1 by 2.
Ma'am, in the
Mom, I got the answer.
ma'am in
1 by 2 into
decimals.
2 ఏమైతుంది
Ma'am in decimals 0.5.
Very good, very nice. Okay, now you have a multiply sign here, then 2.5 minus 2.
Mom, can I tell my answer?
Okay, beta, tell.
Mom, I got 12.
You got 12. Okay. Okay, now Adya, tell me what is your next step? What will you do now? You have done these two divisions, no? Now what will you do? You have plus sign, multiply sign, minus sign. Yes, hurry up, Adya. Adya, are you there?
Ma'am, the answer is 1.25.
Okay, so you will multiply this. So this is 1.25. Okay, good. Then like this. Now what will you do? Hurry up, Adya. Tell me what will you do first now? Add or subtract? Yes,
Ma'am,
Adya.
next we need to add.
Yes. So 4 plus 1 will be this minus 2. Okay, now what do you get? Now what do you get, Adya? Hurry up, Adya.
Ma'am, 3.25.
Good. Okay. Good, Adya. Okay, children, those who are giving me the answers 7 and 12, please check your answers, make a correction. Okay, let's take another question. 3 divided by 16 plus 1.2 into 1 by 4 minus, inside the bracket you have 1 by 5 plus 1 minus 0.8. So try this question. Do each step one by one carefully.
Mom, how to do 3?
You have two brackets here. Yes.
Mom, nothing.
First you will solve the inside bracket. Okay. So whatever answer you get for this bracket, that you will add with 1 by 5 and you will solve the other bracket first. And then the rest of the numbers. Okay. Adya, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, how are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, better. Hurry up, children. Class time is over. Be fast. Those who are finding it difficult, they can see here. Okay, I'm solving this for you. See here. 1 minus 0.8 will give you 0.2. Yes, children, the first bracket is done here. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10 also. Okay, so we take the LCM of this. This will be 10. And you have 5 into 2. This is 2 here. This is 10 ones are 10. You have 2 here. This is 4 by 10. So that means 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Sorry, so this bracket is now 2.5, 2 by 5. Okay, you understood this now? How did we get 2 by 5 here? Hello? Okay, this is now 3 by 16. We can 3 divided by 16. Either if we divide it, we can get it in the decimal form, or I'm just writing in a fraction form because we have other two numbers also in the fraction form. So I'm just writing in the fraction form. Okay, so, and this is 1.2 multiplied by 1 by 4. So 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10. This number can be written as 12 by 10. And 1 by 4 is there multiplied with this. I'm just simplifying the numbers first. Okay, so this can be written as 12 by 40. Can we write that? 12 by 40 minus 2 by 5. Now we have all these numbers in the fraction form. Okay, so what we will do, we will take the LCM of this. What is the LCM of this? Tell me the LCM of this. Do it. Do it in your notebooks and tell me. Okay, so your LCM is 4 into 5 into 2 into 2, right? So 4 5s is 20, 20 into 4, 80. Right, children? Hello?
Ma'am.
Yes. Please keep your videos on. Okay, now 16 into 5 will give me 80. So this will be 16. 16 5s is 80. So 5 into 3 is 15 plus 40 into 2 is 80. So 12 into 2 is 24 minus 5 and 80 here. So how many times 5 will give me? 16. 16 into 2, 32. Okay. So when I add this, when you have two signs here, I will add first. So that means this is 39 minus 32 by 80. So this gives me 7 by 80. So now can you write this number in the decimal form? So this will be 0.0, okay, and when you have this will be 8 and 7 5. Okay, when you divide like this with 7, okay, yes children.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you divide like this you will get, okay, 8 7 5. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
So this question had so many steps in this. Okay.
Yes.
So you must practice. Okay, children. Thank you for joining. Please practice these type of questions also. Okay. I'll be posting this classwork in the resource section. You can see from there and do practice. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta, thank you. Bye bye.